Hey guys, thanks for tuning back in. In the last video, I had set up this on ChatGPT, and I just wanted to pick up from here. So if you wanted to catch up to where we're at, you can watch the last video that I uploaded before this one. But the title that this one's going to be called is something like AI Magic Revealed, Transforming Etsy Print on Demand Like Never Before. And I just wanted to show you today how I use ChatGPT and AI to streamline the upload process. So this is going to be pretty focused on just uploading to Etsy using ChatGPT. So I created this today. I live in Chicago, so if you're familiar, it's called Cook County, but it's definitely Crook County. So that was going to be the video, Crook County, and I take this away, and then we'll do an export real quick, and we'll call it Crook County. Throw that in my graphic design folder, and now that's exported. So this is my design, all my layers and stuff. I could teach you how to do all this if you really wanted, but this is making a design without AI. I have other videos using Ideogram, this app, to make AI designs too, but every once in a while you got to make your own sometimes, right? So the next thing I wanted to show you was how to come up with, this is the YouTube description for this video that I'm coming up with, but I just wanted to show in this video how I would upload to get my product through Printful to Etsy. So I'm going to begin a new chat right here, and I explained this in the last video, how to get the AI PRM ChatGPT prompts. You just go here to extensions, manage extensions, and add the AI PRM chat prompts. And then you go to Etsy right here. And I like this one. You can do whatever ones you want, but I like this one. And so I'm going to write t-shirt with slogan that says Crook County like that. And then I'm going to say with the outline of Illinois and the Chicago star over the city. And let's see what it gives us. So here's the title, Cook County t-shirt, trendy urban fashion, and I'm cool with that. So I'll copy that. And what I'm going to do here is go to the store. Going to add a product to my Etsy shop that I want to upload to. And if you find these videos helpful, give me a thumbs up. I'm giving you guys some decent information here, although this is no big deep secrets or anything, but it's just how my workflow with AI these days, just to make things happen pretty rapidly. This whole world of AI is just pretty amazing. So I use the Gildan 5000. It's got a lot of colors with it. Click here, upload, and it's probably all the way at the bottom. Yep, Cook County. We open that. We let that load up. I've done this on another longer, like a 20-minute video, but I wanted to make kind of shorter videos. Hopefully this turns out to be a shorter video. I look at that little bubble up there until it says about 300, which I'm looking right here, about 300 dots per inch. Something like that looks good. And we're going to go to basic mockups. I like this one. And I'm going to put it on a black t-shirt. So I could just continue because I already know what this is going to look like. Although, let's just take a quick look. Make sure it's at the right height. Yeah, that looks pretty good right there. And it works on all the colors. Just want to make sure. Okay. So here's where I would paste that title that I already copied. and delete that quotation mark. And then you'd come back to ChatGPT. Here's a really nice description. I'm just going to grab the tags. We're going to try this. I've never done this, but I'm going to paste that. And I'm going to take these tags. Let's try to put these in here because I've never tried this. Put it in the description. Let's see if that does anything. And then we go back to ChatGPT. And these are the tags I'm going to use. So if you've watched any of my videos, you've seen me do this before. That will make all of these separate by comma. And what you could do is ask it to be like under 20 characters too. And it'll kind of rewrite the, it'll rewrite the tags to be shorter because a lot of these are going to be over. See, might just do that right now. So here's copy those back over here, add a couple more. Perfect. I'm gonna put this in my custom t-shirts. Go to the next one. I want to do free shipping. Bake that price in. I do a $12 so I can give it discounts and coupon codes and still make a profit. So now you're just uploading it and making it live. So this process, if you've ever done this before, you know exactly what you're doing next. But just wanted to talk about how much AI is helping with all of these things. You can always ask AI to, like, can you redo it? Can you do it again? Can you check over my work? Make it do this 3 times. It doesn't really matter. This is what's so cool about AI is you just can keep going and going and going down the rabbit hole, So upload it to Etsy. This is the store I have it in. It'll be here in your draft. And now that you've done that, I mean, that's the AI part of the whole thing. So really, that's all I wanted to say in this video. If anybody has any questions or comments, or if this helped you, please let me know. I would love to help you guys make some passive income online. I've been pretty blessed that I'm able to do this stuff. I've been at this for like 10 years now. So, and was on print on demand. Like as soon as it came out, I've tried all the different ones, and so my wife and I always talk about how I should show people my workflow. And there you go. That's the workflow. And if you have some social media out, you can click here. You can view the listing and copy it. And yeah, that's about that. So if you guys have any questions or want to see another video about something with print on demand, or anything along these lines of making money online, definitely leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and subscribing. And there you go. That's how you use AI to look at this awesome description over here. I put the tags here. We're going to test this out. But yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a good day. Peace.